Welcome to LifeWallet, the smarter and easier way to take control of your digital assets right from your smartphone. Getting started is simple. Download LifeWallet from the App Store. Click on Create Wallet, then enter your details. And in seconds, your LifeWallet is ready to go. See your real-time balance, the assets you own, the latest news and announcements, and access to social networks and favorite sites, all in one place. Need to send funds? Just go to Wallet, choose an asset, enter the recipient's email and amount, and it's done. Receiving money? Share your QR code and receive money instantly. Security is our top priority. Protect your LifeWallet with the two-step authentication, the biometric lock and safeguard every wallet you store with your personal recovery phrase. But LifeWallet is more than just payments. It gives you direct access to your favorite apps, social platforms, and web pages. Personalize your interest in the settings page and find them instantly through the Connect button right at your fingertips. And with built-in chat, you can stay connected with friends, family, and the growing LifeWallet community. LifeWallet, life simplified.